me to play. Electric golf cart will take you away. The starter will tell you all the rules to go by. You get to go first, cause you're the new guy. So tee it high and let it fly. You're on the first tee, it's a beautiful view, and everybody's patiently waiting on you. You take a deep breath and give it a try. Don't let this fine moment pass you by. Just tee it high and let it fly. Don't let this little game get you. No pressure here, I'll bet you. You'll make some excuse if they let you.